Welcome to our channel, everybody. Today we're going to be showing you how to cook pasta with salmon. The ingredients for a portion for two for this recipe include 200 grams of pasta, 100 ml of cooking cream, 2 tablespoons of grated cheese, 1 small onion diced into cubes, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 80 grams of smoked salmon. So the first thing we're going to do is add a teaspoon of olive oil into a pan. When it's hot enough, add your salmon and fry it for about 5 minutes. Keep stirring your salmon because you do not want it to burn. Fry it until it starts to give you a golden brown color. After your salmon is done, get a big pot and pour in some hot water, which you're going to use to boil your pasta. Add in enough salt to taste for your pasta. Then boil your pasta according to the indications on the package. So when your pasta is ready, you're going to drain it out. Make sure to leave a bit of that water because you're going to need it when mixing it with the salmon. So you're going to get the salmon that you had fried earlier and mix in your pasta. Just stir it until the pasta and the salmon are all mixed. And after that, you're going to add your cooking cream. And then your 2 tablespoons of cheese. And just mix it all together. Make sure it is well mixed. And then you're going to leave it for about 2 to 3 minutes just to simmer so that the cream can become much thicker, so that you have a very creamy pasta. And after 2 to 3 minutes of letting it simmer, it's going to look like this. It looks very creamy and delicious. I hope you guys are going to try this recipe. If you enjoy it, please leave comments below. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel for more simple and easy recipes to follow. And voila, that's how beautiful it looks on your plate. Enjoy your meal, everybody. Buon appetito a tutti. Ciao. Until next time. Thank you.